Hi. On another episode of It's Quarantine and People Are Making Questionable Life Choices, I'm back! So, if you've been on the internet since the quarantine started, people have been shaving, cutting, bleaching, dyeing, doing anything questionable to their hair. I gave up on the trend. Initially, I wanted to shave my head completely off. Not like hair. Shave my... But my mom was like,
No.
Then I was like, okay, just let me bleach it then. Since I'm like, not going out. She was like,
Yeah, okay, whatever, fine.
this is a big deal. I've been wanting to do something to my hair for
Ages.
And my mom was like, no. But some miracle happened, and she was like, yes, do it. Am I excited? Hell yeah. So I want to do that like trendy. People make their, like this part of their head blonde. I'm gonna do that. I think she let me do it partially because it's not like my whole head, which is still fine. Like I just want to look different. This is like boring. I've been with this my whole life. Honestly, if I look like her, that's like as good as it's gonna get. Woo! My neighbors are gonna move out of here. Okay. Ugh. Pretty. Oh, finally. I sectioned the parts that I want to do. I'm pretty sure they're not as even as I would like them to be. An hour trying to like section these. Here's the problem. I don't have any, what's that, tin foil? I don't know what I'm gonna wrap them in. I'm gonna wrap my hair in saran wrap. Ugh. Just prepared for this. And I don't have any gloves, so it's blue. Jesus, it smells like shit. Come on. Jesus, it smells so bad. Oh. There's no going back now. I hope it doesn't hurt. I hope it doesn't burn my hair. I hope this is not a bad decision. Oh, that's the thing. I don't even know if it will do anything. So we're in my room because my brother's taking a shit. That annoying ass bitch. Oh. My nose is all clogged up. My hair is lighting up. It's all over my hands. I'm literally gonna cry. Have I told you how much I freaking hate my brother and his bowels? Turns out I do have gloves, okay? My hands are wet. Everything's going bad right now and I want to die. failure. Wait half an hour. You think my hair's gonna be good? She's like, no, bitch, you're ugly. So, looked like nothing happened to the bottom of my hair, but it is kind of like lighter. Oh my god! I thought I was gonna like take the L and go sleep, but I can't scream right now because everybody's sleeping in my house. It's so weird seeing my hair like this. I thought it didn't work, and I'm just gonna take the L, not post this video, and go to bed. But it actually did. It still smells like ass. I honestly don't know what these do, but I'll see you in another 30 minutes. Alfie. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh my god. That looks so good. I definitely want it lighter. I look like her. Oh my god. Twinning. Look at that. We're twins now. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Give it a like if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel. Turn on that little bell. What do you think of my hair?
It looks terrible. No!